Hi kids, how are you all doing? So back again for a new pickup. Bit of an impulse purchase this. Not what I went into town to get, but popped in the local size to have a look at the Sobakov. So I'll put a picture of those in now. So I never ended up picking up this Sobakov because, to be honest, I can't make my mind up about them. I'm not anti modern silhouettes at all, but yeah, I'm 50-50. I think there's some other colorways coming for them, so I might pick up a pair in the future. But anyway, whilst in size, they had a sale, quite a good sale on. I ended up picking up these. So they've been out a short while, but yeah, £40, or you could even get the black and white ones for 35, which really good price. So yeah, I just dropped these instead. So we're gonna have a little look at these today. We do have the 2010 iteration of the Montreal there. So we're gonna compare these to these, see what the differences are, have a general look at the shoe. It is a classic, what I would say is an extended city series, yeah. Like a lot of the US cities and what have you. So not the classic European city series, but I do class these as the extended city series family. So here we go. It's a nice shoe. I mean, it does split opinions. There's some people just think the rear heel is very ugly. I know one of my friends, KK, she hates these. She was with me when I picked them up. She was laughing at me. She wanted the Sobakovs. Fair enough, each to their own. I like them, something a bit different. For the Montreal 76 Olympics, was it Winter Olympics, Summer Olympics? I can't remember, but yeah, it was a special design for these, apparently, so you could put the back of these down or something like that. I did read a history on these a while back. Memory is a little foggy, but anyway, let's have a look at these toe to tongue. It's a nice quality, as you can see. You know, there's nothing to moan at here. As you can see, you do get the rub test on this is a pass. So next we will we'll compare these to the 2010 version, which I've got here. And despite outward appearances, there's quite a few differences actually. You have the vents in the toe box area, they're far more prominent on the last release. The tongue detail is different, the tongue tag completely different. If I'm honest, I prefer the 2010 release on that aspect. I mean, there's not much in them otherwise. Now if you do look at the main sort of selling point of this shoe, I'll just get the other one. Get like for like, so we can compare like this. So they are quite a difference on the texture of that heel grip. Completely different, in fact. So yeah, new tooling on the outsole. Okay. Also underneath on the new ones, you do have it's two-tone, whereas it's a same gum colour, if you like, light gum colour on the 2010 release. Insole is pretty much the same, yeah. So there you go kids, random pickup, quite a nice classic shoe. Not to everyone's taste, but yeah, £40, bargain I thought. I'll whack these on foot now. I'll catch you next time kids, yeah? Hope you're enjoying the summer. and all the sunshine, and very warm at the moment in the UK. I'll see you next time. Time for a bit of on foot action. Take care. Cheers.